In today's video, I will show you how you can fix your Brave browser from logging out. So first, you want to head on to these three lines that are aligned vertically. Click that. Then make sure head on to settings. Once you're in the settings, go here to autofill and passwords. Once you click password, autofill and passwords, click on Password Manager. Once you're in Password Manager, hover your mouse to the left side. You'll see this, and you'll see an additional settings here. You want to click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you want to make sure Sign In Automatically is enabled. So if you have that off, make sure to turn it on. And that is how you fix your Brave browser from logging out.